Hey there guys, this is Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time, this song was requested by Prolific. Thank you so much for the very generous donation. This song is Phil Perry's If You Only Knew. So the song is going to start off in the key of E natural. So it's going to start in the key of E natural. Then we're going to modulate to D flat natural, and then back to E natural, and then to D flat again, back to E, and then we're going to end in D natural. Okay? So let's start off with the intro. You're playing an A flat minor 7 to an A major 9. Twice. Then you're going to play an F sharp 9 13. So you're playing a B flat chord on top of F7, F sharp 7. And you lower that E flat to D. Then you're going to play a B13 suspended chord. So in your left hand, you're playing B7. On your right hand, you're basically playing an A major 7. And so you can move your thumb to the side and play the second of A major, make it a major 9, throw that B on the end, and then you have this very nice sounding B13 sus. So again, A flat, minor 7, A major 9. Okay, and then we're going to start. I like to play this pentatonic that's mimicking the saxophone. And then when we reach the last note, which is A flat, we're going to play the whole E chord. So it's an E major chord. Then we're going to go to an A flat minor 7. And I like to play the melody on top, so then it's to an A major 9. Then D flat 9 sus 4, which is basically a B major chord on top of D flat. It's really a D flat 11, but it shows up as a 9 sus 4. Then the next chord is an F sharp minor 9. So F sharp 7, add that A major 7 together is a minor 9. And you know this chord from the intro. It's the 5 chord of B13. And then we end on an E major 7. So if you want to hear it in context from the beginning, it's going to sound like this. Back to B, and then when the singing starts, you're going to go to a D flat major 9. So you're playing an A flat major on top of D flat. D flat major 9, you're in the key of D flat, so you're going to walk up to E flat minor 7, then to F minor 7, to an F sharp major 7, B flat 9 sus4, to a B flat minor. So I'm playing an A flat chord to a D flat chord while holding B flat in my left hand. Okay, then we're going to go to a 2-5-1. Well, actually, it's a 2. All right, to the 5, 2, which is E flat minor 7, to an A flat 9 sus4, which is like an A flat 11. So you're playing an F sharp over A flat. And we're going to go back to that B 13. Okay, again. At full speed. And then we're going to go to E major. Should be familiar. We've gone through these chords. And then we're going to go to this very cool G913. This is a special chord, I call it, for this song. So let's do it again. E major, A flat major 7, to A major 9, D flat 9 sus4, to F sharp major 9, B flat 9 sus, to E major 7, and then a G913. Very special, since it is we're in the key of E, but we're playing the 1, 2, 3. It's a flat 3 chord. A 913 on the flat 3 gives you this sound. It's very nice if you want to ever throw this voicing in some of your playing. So let's do it again. Then he plays it again. Gone through this, okay? Gone through this. And this is almost the whole song except for the section in D major. So let's go here. Gone through this. Now let's get ready to go through that transition into D. So whenever you go here, we're going to go to that G913, and what we're going to do is just raise it up a half step. Right? Now it's an A flat 913. Let's do it one more time. Now it's an A 913. And then we're in the key of D, where the song ends. And we're playing the same progression that we played in E major, in D major now. The 1 to the 3 to the 4 to the 6 to the 2 to the 5 to the 1. flat 3. Okay, so the chords are D major to F sharp major 7 to G major 9, B 9 sus4 to E minor 9 to A9 sus4 to D. Now to an F9 13. And this is how the song plays out. Now you can always type out the melody on your right hand while playing the chords. That's what I call typing out the melody. The chords stay the same. And that is If You Only Knew by Phil Perry. Thank you so much, Prolific, for the donation. And anybody else that's watching this, hey, if you want me to cover your songs, please look in the bio. I've put some links out there for some donation links, so you can donate via PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App, or also Zelle. And I will be able to get your tutorial up there. Thank you guys again, and I'll be back with some more very soon. Take care.